Hey everyone, and welcome to your multiplication matching game. This video is going to be a quick introduction on how to complete your activity of your multiplication matching game. In this, you are going to, as it says in the instructions, match the multiplication problem to its product. I am going to put these instructions up so I can see everything that I have here. So some of these are going to be products, and that's going to be the ones that do not have the multiplication sign in them. So I have an 18, I have 100, 42, 20, 16, 7, and that's it. And then for my multiplication problems, I have 7 times 6 or 6 times 7 because both of these multiplication problems are the exact same. You were just switching these factors places from this side to this side. We have 4 times 5 or 5 times 4, 10 times 10. I didn't put or 10 times 10 because it would be the same. We have 8 times 2 or 2 times 8, 6 times 3 or 3 times 6, and 7 times 1 or 1 times 7. Now I can tell you looking at this, I know off the top of my head what 7 times 1 is, or 1 times 7. So I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to look for its product, and I'm going to look for 7. Here we go, and I am correct. Perfect. Now I'm going to think of something else I know. 10 times 10 I know is 100. So I am going to go ahead and click that, look for my 100. If you don't know what something is, like 7 times 6 off the top of your head, you don't have to force yourself to do that yet. You could find other things that you know because 20 to me sounds pretty easy. So I'm going to start looking for, is 8 times 2 20? No. 6 times 3 20? No. 4 times 5? That is. So I am going to choose this and this. Perfect. So do the ones that you know. And for the ones that you don't, you can create your own array. You can do your own area model to figure that out. Okay, so I have here 8 times 2 or 2 times 8. I have 16 for that. Perfect. And then I also have an 18 and a 42 left, and a 7 times 6 and 6 times 3. Well, 6 times 3 I know is 18, but if I wasn't sure, I know that 7 groups of 6 or 6 groups of 7 is going to be a lot more than 6 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 6. So I'm going to go ahead and match 18 and this. Perfect, which leaves my last one. All right, and once it's all done, you're all set. Have a good time.